DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, so I'm just going to jump right in. So I am doing a wash and go on my friend's hair. She has the Gelato going on right here, as well as the Shea Moisture Leave-In Rinse Out Conditioner. She really wanted to try to do something different with her TWA. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just do a wash and go. Let's just see what it is. So yes, I am spraying her hair with some warm water just to make sure it is drenched. She already pre-washed her hair, so now I am detangling it, because my girl got some length now. Like, her hair was way down her back, guys, but she cut it all off. So right now I am applying the leave-in conditioner all over just to make sure we get some moisture, raking it through, just pulling up the TWA, you know. Yep, there's the Gelato. Now we're going to take a big glob and we're going to add it on just to get the curl definition going. Now this is her first time doing a little wash and go on her hair, so it's going to take some manpower to get those curls forming. Hair does struggle with curling even when she had longer hair, so I'm really trying to rake the product in to get those curls going. Yep, there it is. She's loving the Gelato. So I am taking section by section, just trying to get the training of the curls. And now I'm using a fine tooth comb just to rake the product through. And I'm going back in, trying to curl this hair. So what I am noticing is that when I add the Gelato onto the comb and rake it through, the curls will form so much easier. So that is what I'm doing. You can see the Gelato right there. So with a TWA, you want to make sure your hair is soaking wet and you have more than enough product. Do not be afraid to use a lot of product because you need that to make sure your hair is curling. I'm going into small sections, just raking the Gelato through. You use any gel, but the Gelato gives an excellent hold. So now I'm going back over some more pieces just to give it some more definition. So I am diffusing her hair because I don't want my girl to go outside with wet hair. So I have it on medium and then I switch back and forth to hot. So we are laying these edges right now for the finishing touch. And yeah, I'm not a big edge person, don't know what I'm doing, but listen, she's feeling it, I'm feeling it, and it looks so good. She is so happy, and I'm really happy that she's happy because it came out so good. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.